Even if you have no good reason to justify buying one, you have to admit that drones are cool. Some are glorified tech toys, but the models we highlight here are fit for use in imaging and cinematic applications small and large. In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 drones available right now. Check the description of the link below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Altair 818 Hornet drone. Another exceptional choice for drone neophytes is the Altair 818 Hornet drone. The drone comes with 2 batteries, with each giving you 15 minutes of flight time before you need to recharge them. Like the S5C, the Altair has an altitude hold function that keeps it stable and has one button to control flight and landing. It also features 3 controller skill settings that you can adjust to the drone's pilot. Another standout function of the Altair 818 Hornet is that you can fly this drone either indoors or outdoors, so bad weather can't stop your fun. It's also incredibly easy to operate. The learning curve is only a few hours. The 818 is sturdy and can withstand crashes and hard landings, which makes it perfect for adults and kids looking to learn how to fly a drone. You can add your smartphone to the drone and record live video and photography, and you can also record in first-person view FPV with an FPV headset. At number 4 is the Holystone HS200 FPV drone. Holystone cornered in on the mini drone market and did it with flair. With their wide range of inexpensive, intricate copters, you'll be able to fly on a budget. Their HS200 FPV model is perhaps one of the best yet. With a built-in dock to the controller, you'll be able to snap your smartphone right in and view live video of your Holystone in flight. You even get the great feature of releasing the throttle and knowing that your copter is going to stay hovering at the same height. With cheap drones, you expect there to be a few mechanical issues from time to time. We always have that you get what you pay for term in the back of our minds. While Holystone's quality is spectacular, they aren't using the most high-grade physical components on the market, otherwise, they'd be charging what DJI does. To offset the greater possibility of running into issues, their customer service team is the standard of how all customer service, for any industry, should be run. You'll get answers, speak to a live person, and whatever you need will be fixed. Top 3 at our list is the DJI Mavic Mini drone. After close examination, it is more than obvious that the DJI Mavic Mini drone is a viable choice. Here's something that any prospective drone owner will be pleased to know: the DJI Mavic Mini does not require government registration in both the United States and Canada. So, that's a whole lot of convenience offered up already. Now, for the more technical perks of owning one of these babies. This device can stay up for a full 30 minutes on a single charge. Furthermore, it comes with an accompanying 2-way charging hub that can accommodate and power 3 batteries all at once. Even better is the fact that it's a great storage device for batteries while on the go and even extends its charging capabilities to mobile devices. The battery isn't the only handy attachment here. There's also the remote controller, which is the heart of this device. It has the ability to capture high-definition video feed at a distance that's up to 4 kilometers. Moving up at number 2 is the Ruko F11 Pro Drone. When it comes to all sorts of tech and devices available these days, there are often no training wheels involved. This does not mean that training wheels and easing in have become obsolete though, so it is refreshing when user-friendly products like this come onto the scene. The F11 Pro Drone is a great choice for beginners since it is fitted with functions like one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, auto-return, FPV, tap fly among an array of others. This baby is so easy to operate that even kids and teens can join in the fun without causing any damage at all. Now, all this would be rendered obsolete if the picture and video quality were subpar. Thankfully, that is not the case here as it offers up to 4K Ultra HD picture quality alongside 2.7K video. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the display quality with unmatchable clarity, rich colors, and realistic contrast. Additionally, the camera itself is equipped with a 120° FOV lens which is put in place to provide an extensive view of every recorded moment. Speaking of recorded moments, how much battery life is this drone equipped with to that effect? And at number 1 is the Holystone HS720 drone. The Holystone HS720 foldable GPS drone offers up one of the closest things there is to a first-hand viewing experience. Let's start with the fact that this is a well-built and well-designed piece of equipment. Fitted with a sturdy exterior that also happens to be foldable for easy storage. It also offers inbuilt metallurgical gear shafts that go a long way to enable seamless movements of the device itself. The cherry on the top here in terms of convenience is the added carrying bag, which makes it a lot easier to carry the drone from one point to another. Furthermore, there is a dual balance charger thrown into the mix here. After the battery, The next force to reckon with is the brushless motor, which works hand in hand with the aviation propellers to push the aerodynamics here to the limit. The fact that it offers up a more quiet experience makes for a superior experience altogether. Then, of course, there are those special features that make for a more personalized and immersive experience. One such is the GPS to return home feature, which, as is implied, ensures that the drone will make its way home anytime the battery is low or the signal is lost. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.